Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore some beautiful, creative and inspiring Christmas craft ideas that can make your home feel warm, festive, cozy and full of holiday spirit. Christmas is a season of perfect time to use simple materials and turn them into beautiful decoration. You do not need always expensive products to create something special. With a little creativity and some basic supplies and a few minutes of your time, you can make a wonderful Christmas decoration with your own hand. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, enjoy these lovely Christmas craft inspirations with me. The first idea is beautiful handmade Christmas tree decoration. You can create a small decorative trees using cardboard, paper, fabric, jute rope, wooden sticks, or even recycled materials. Add small stars, ribbons, beads, small or tiny ornaments to give the tree a festive look. You can keep the color traditional with red, green, white, and gold, or choose soft neutral colors for a modern aesthetic. Handmade Christmas trees are especially beautiful when we played on shelves, tables, cabinets, or beside a fireplace. They can also become a lovely centerpiece for your Christmas display. Another wonderful idea is handmade Christmas wreaths. Wreaths are one of the most popular decoration during the holiday season because they are instantly create a festive feeling. You can make a wreath using artificial greenery, pine cones, ribbons, wooden a large bow in the center of your decorate the small Christmas ornament. A handmade wreath can be placed on your front door, bedroom door, wall, or even up above a fireplace. It is a simple decoration, but it can completely transform the look of space. Now let's talk about Christmas ornaments. Instead of buying a large collection of ornaments, you can create your own Christmas beautiful pieces at home. Paper stars, fabrics, ornaments, mini Christmas trees, snowflakes, little stocking bells, or and handmade gift boxes can all be used to decorate a Christmas tree. You can personalize each ornament by choosing different textures and patterns. This is also a fun craft creativity for families because everyone can create their own special decoration and hang it on the tree. One of my favorite Christmas craft idea is using natural color materials, pine cones, dried branches, wooden slides, strings, and a greenery can create a beautiful rustic Christmas atmosphere. You can paint pine cones white or red a little glitter to make them look they are covered with snow. Place them inside a basket, glass jar, wooden tray, or decorative bowl. Add some fairy lights around them, and you will instantly have a cozy decoration. Natural colors are especially perfect for farmhouse, rustic cottage, and Scandinavian style homes. You can also create beautiful candle decoration. Take a simple tray and arrange candles with pine cone, greenery, ribbons, and Small ornaments around them. Battery operated candles can also be used for safer decorative display. Choose warm looking lights to create a cozy atmosphere during the evening. A candle arrangement can look beautiful on dining table, coffee table, side table, or bedroom shelf. Even a very simple setup can make your home feel peaceful and festive. Another creative idea is Christmas gift box. Small cardboard boxes can be wrapped with beautiful Christmas paper and decorated with ribbons, bows, tags, belts, or little ornaments. You can place these creative decorative boxes under the Christmas tree or use them as a part of festive table display. Even if the boxes are displayed, even the boxes are empty, they can still make your Christmas corner look beautiful. On your also use old bottles and leftover wrapping paper, making craft both creative friendly. Christmas craft can also be used to decorate gift tables and party areas. Create small signs, name tags, decorative trees, mini words, and festive centerpiece. You can even make a simple photo corner using paper, star fed lights, ribbons, and Christmas ornaments. These can be art to take picture and create memories together. And of course, we cannot forget to Christmas tree. You can make your tree more personal by combining store-bought decoration with handmade crafts. Add paper ornaments, wooden decoration, stars, and little personalized Christmas. The beauty of Christmas tree is that it does not have to be perfect. Every decoration can tell a story, represent a memory, or simple show your creativity. If so, you're planning your Christmas decoration this year, take a look around your home before buying new things. May already have paper, cardboard, fabric, ribbons, jars, boxes, wooden piece, old decoration, and other materials can be transformed into something beautiful with imagination. Even ordinary objects can become festive decoration. I hope these Christmas craft ideas have inspired you to create something beautiful for your own home. Whether you love traditional red and green decoration, elegant white and gold theme rustic farmhouse designs, or soft cozy Christmas aesthetics, there are endless possibilities to explore. Start with one simple project and then slowly build your own collection. Handmade Christmas decoration. Thank you so much for spending these beautiful minutes with me. I hope your Christmas season filled with creativity, happiness, warmth. Subscribe my channel, please.